Hey everyone! Welcome back to my kitchen where I try to make delicious food and usually end up setting off the smoke alarm. Today, we're making a viral TikTok recipe for chicharron, but with a personal twist. We're using chicken because pork belly is elusive and expensive, and chicken is, well, in my fridge. So instead of pork belly, we have chicken breasts. I know, sacrilege, but trust me, it's going to be great. I hope. Okay, first, slice your chicken into 1.5-inch strips. Be careful not to cut yourself because, let's face it, a trip to the ER is not on today's agenda. Next, make these 1-inch crosswise cuts. If you're like me and your knife skills are questionable at best, this part will be fun. Try not to cut through the skin. Wait, chicken doesn't have skin. Well, we're already off to a great start. Rinse the chicken, drain it, and then we're adding mojo and salt. Mix it all up, cover it, and throw it in the fridge for 2 hours. Or if you're like me, completely forget about it and find it the next day. Preheat your oven to 300 degrees. Yes, we're baking, not frying. This is a health-conscious decision, and also because I'm scared of hot oil. Place the strips on the baking rack, skin side up. Just kidding, no skin. We're making dough, people! Now mix lime juice and baking soda. This is supposed to make the skin crackle. But since we have no skin, let's see if it makes the imaginary skin crackle. Brush this magic mixture over the chicken. Let's pretend it's going to make it crispy. Bake for 90 minutes and try not to peek. I know it's tempting, but resist. Now, set your oven to broil. Here's where you need to channel your inner hawk. Do not look away. I repeat, do not look away, or you'll have charcoal chicharron. This is the most intense staring contest you'll ever have with your oven. And voila, we have our slightly burnt, but still hopefully tasty, chicken chicharron. You know what? Not bad. Definitely different from pork, but hey, chicken chicharron is a thing now. So if you want to experience this culinary adventure and possibly set off your smoke alarm, give this a try. Remember, the key is to have fun, embrace the mess, and if all else fails, order takeout. Thanks for watching, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more kitchen disasters with Ria. Until next time, happy cooking. Or burning, whatever happens first. And don't forget, if you have any weird recipe substitutions, leave them in the comments. I might just try them and fail spectacularly.